Hey, what's up? Got another package in. I'll open it up real fast, show you what we got in. Just ordered these on Wednesday when they dropped. And it is Friday. They're already here. We'll go ahead and get into it real fast. Whatever. Alright. Boom. We got the boost box, as you can see. And here we go. Straight to the shoe. Online they were calling these the Oreo Uncaged Ultraboost. You see you got the black with the white. Got the 3 stripes right here, Adidas branding. You got the PK collar. Black little cup on the back. You got the white Continental sole, which is pretty dope. And then of course the black boost, which everyone has been going crazy for. Again, white on the bottom, black on the side. Get the other one out so you can see both of them. I tried to get the 3.0 triple blacks, but struck out on those and ended up copping these instead. So it's my first pair Uncaged Ultra Boosts. So I got a size 11 because of how flexible the knit is. You can kind of go half size down. But you got the blacked out Ultra Boost branding on the cup. Super dope shoe. Do an on-foot review soon, but this was just a quick unboxing. So there they are. The Oreo Uncaged Ultra Boost. The black boost.